everyone, this is Terry from terryscraftroom.com. Today we're going to talk about the Prized Peony Bundle and the Peony Dies, actually the Peony Dies specifically, because there are 17 dies in this bundle. Look at all these dies, and they're a little daunting to say the least. So we're just going to go through the dies, and I'm going to show you how to put the peony together. So first we have this beautiful border, scalloped border die, and then these dies all correspond with stamps. Okay, so we have 5 dies that correspond with stamps in the stamp set. Just like that. Okay? Let me put these away, because we all know if we don't put them away, they could get lost. Okay, so those all correspond with the stamps in the stamp set. Now we have these dies that look like aliens. So these dies are what you put the peony together with. And let me show you how. So we have four dies that put the flower together like that. And then we have 6 dies, these 3 here and these 3 here, that put the leaves together. And then we have 1 die here for the middle. I'm going to put these back on my magnetic sheet so I don't lose anything. Okay, so how these dies go together. With the flower dies, if you look at the bottom here, you see they all have a similar shape right here. Right here. That's what you're going to match up to put your dies together. And then each 2 leaves, see the outline of this leaf is the same as the outline of this leaf. That's what you're going to look at to put the leaf together. This leaf goes with this leaf, and this outline goes with this leaf. So I'm going to show you I've cut this peony out already, and I've done some shading just so you could see. If you look, they all have a slit in the middle, and that's what we're going to use to put our peony together. I'm going to do a little shaping here. And the first one, what we're going to do, you can see we have small to large. So we're going to take our smallest one and put a little bit of adhesive down at the bottom. And then, let me shape this one. And you don't have to shape them. I just like, flowers have shape. So, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to slide this smaller one into the slot of the next larger one. See that? And then we're going to turn it over, and you can see right there how the 2 shapes are the same. We're going to line those 2 shapes up and just set them down just like that. And we're going to do the same thing with the next one. Let me bend the petal out just a hair. Okay, so we're going to take our smaller one and put some adhesive on the front of it. Remember, it's on the front of it. And slide it into that slot. Okay, turn it over so we can line it up. Just like that. And then press down on the adhesive. And there's our next level. Now this one is a little bit different because there's not quite so much area here that's going to be hidden because this slot's way down at the bottom. So what I do is I get a couple of glue dots and I put it on the back of the big one, and I'll put it, so here's the back. I'll put it on either side of this valley here. One here, and one up here. So you can see where I put the glue dots there. And again, I'm going to slide this right into that slot and turn it over and line, you can see that shape again. Line that right up and lay it right down on top of those glue dots I just put in. And there you have your flower. Now what we need to do is we need our flower center right there. We need to figure out where to put it. So if you remember, we had four flower pieces, right? So what we want to do is we want to put it in right in here. So we want to put our center right in this slit of the smallest flower piece. So how do we figure that out? Well, we have 4 flower pieces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's really easy if you shaped your petals, because you shaped the inner petals but not necessarily the outer petals. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our 4th piece, our smallest piece. I shaped the inner petals here. So right here is where I'm going to put my flower center. And so let's put a little bit of glue so when I slip it in it stays. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to slip it in right here. Just like that. Isn't that a beautiful flower? Now for the leaves, let me zoom back out a little bit. Now for the leaves, so we have 6 pieces for the leaves. And what we're going to do is we're going to take and put just a hair or a little bit of glue around that, and we're going to line it up right here with this edge. And it gives the leaf a little bit of a dimension. And you can, so I cut these out in 2 different colors, so that it'd be easier for you to see on camera. But you can cut them out both in the same color, or you can do the different colors like I did. So once again, we'll put a little bit of glue right up that, and then line it up with the edge of our leaf, the base of our leaf there, and go right up the edge, just like that. And then once it's dry, you can put it on a card. I hope I've taken the mystery out of the peony dies for you today. Check out terryscraftroom.com. I'll have a link below for a blog post on how to put these dies together with pictures and this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow my channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.